Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Andy Duncan, Chairman and CEO of Boardwalktech Software. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, BWLK on the TSX Venture and BWLKF on the OTCQB. And Boardwalktech will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase Vegas, in partnership with MicroCap Club, taking place April 22 through 24, 2025 at the Paris Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. For more information, to meet Andy in person, see the Boardwalk Tech presentation, please register to attend at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Andy, thank you so much for joining me today. How you doing?
Hey, Bobby, I'm great. How are you?
I'm great as well. Just getting after it as much as we can here on a nice Monday morning here in California, March 17, 2025. So, Andy, it's been a minute since you've been on the show. Before we get into the updates and all that good stuff, for those that don't know the Boardwalk Tech story, can you give us that quick overview of the company?
Yeah, sure. So Boardwalk is based in California. We are in the enterprise software space. We've got about 20 of the Fortune 500 as customers. So companies like Apple and Levi's and Brocade and Citibank. And we help companies improve and better understand and manage all of their information and data with a platform that we call our Intelligent Information Platform. So, we've been to Planet MicroCap many years. We didn't go last year. We were kind of focused on kind of updating the company, both the strategy and coming out with a new product that's called our Unity Central AI platform. We're quite excited about it, getting some real great early traction. And I'm enthusiastic about being back at Planet MicroCap and meeting some of the investors and reacquainting them with the Boardwalk Tech story.
Absolutely. So let's get a little update. Like I said, last interview we put out was in August 23. So rather than going through everything from 18, 2 years, all that good stuff, what would you say are some of the company's highlights in the last 12 months or so?
Yeah, so off of the platform that we have two different products. This product called Unity Central that helps companies better manage unstructured data. And then we have another product called Velocity. And Velocity is starting to become a pretty important part of the landscape within the financial services sector. So again, if you recall, a couple of years ago, we landed a contract with a very large bank, one of the top five banks in the world. And that particular implementation of our software and their rollout of our Velocity product took a little bit of time. When you're a micro cap company and you're dancing with a big whale, it takes a little bit of time. Happy to say that in March, we started rolling our product out across this particular bank. 80 people full time working to roll our product out and had really a very big successful year in being able to prove the value of the product and get a real kind of superstar referenceable client in the financial services space utilizing the Velocity product. And we're now getting calls from other banks. We're signing partnerships with companies that want to represent us and actually deliver the product in these banks. And so last year, while we were pretty quiet in the market, I wasn't out really talking about the stock much. We were heads down on an operational standpoint, really trying to drive value and create success with this one big customer for the Velocity product. And we're very bullish about the future of where we're going in financial services with this product, the partnerships that we've signed, and the success that we've had with this first big banking client.
Very good. All right. Well, Andy, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts now for 2025 that you want folks to pay attention to?
Yeah, so if you take a look at the company, quite honestly, we've been flat from a revenue standpoint. And I think you're going to start to see some really interesting growth from the company. We've got a terrific pipeline. We are closing deals. We are closing partnerships. People are starting to recognize the value of our technology. And I think you're going to see a company over the next 12, 24 months with a pretty nice growth rate. I think the other thing that's important for the investors to know is we are very focused on getting to profitability. We had our first kind of operating positive quarter. Last quarter, we are driving toward being EBITDA positive, which will happen in this next fiscal year for us. And that combined with the revenue growth makes it a very exciting story. And on top of that, Bobby, what makes it even a more interesting story is if you take a look at our valuation today. We're currently trading at 1x or less of ARR. And yeah, we've got a lot to prove. We've got a lot of people that we gotta kind of connect with and show them where we're going and why this is an important story.
All right. Well, Andy, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Boardwalk Tech?
Yeah, www.boardwalktech.com. Our investor deck is up on the site. Site actually has been reworked completely. It's got a lot of videos and stuff about what we do, what the value proposition is, ROI calculators, a list of our clients, a bunch of blogs. Love it when the investors do a little bit of research and come in with a bunch of questions, and I'm ready for any meetings, all meetings, including during the sessions and after the sessions in the bar. Bobby, I'm ready to go.
Very good. All right, Andy. Well, with that, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck, stay safe, and I will see you in Vegas.
Sounds great. Thanks.
Thank you.